The ROLETALENT queen-size upholstered velvet platform bed frame offers a luxurious touch with its soft velvet upholstery and high-density sponge filling, making it both comfortable and stylish. This bed frame features two spacious storage drawers and additional under-bed zones, providing ample space to keep your bedroom organized and clutter-free. With the built-in RGB LED light strip, you can create the perfect ambiance in your bedroom by adjusting the color and brightness to suit your mood or activity. The integrated USB charging station in the headboard is a convenient feature that allows you to charge your devices without the need to search for outlets. Designed for stability and silence, the bed frame includes 12 support slats and 9 heavy-duty support feet, ensuring a sturdy and noise-free sleep environment. The assembly process is straightforward and quick, thanks to the detailed instructions and numbered components, allowing you to set up your bed effortlessly.